Mangalava Vimukti Turan. Now we are at the Compassion Light Education Center. Today we receive your donation for water tank. The underground water tank has been built for many weeks, now nearly finished. We plan to use the water tank before Myanmar New Year, the water festival. The water is very essential for our daily life. Now you are fulfilling these needs. So we will use the water every day from that water tank, and also we have planned to distribute the purified water to the Sangha and also to lay people after the new year. So we would like to say thank you very much for your supporting and your donation to our Compassion Education Center and also your contribution to our Buddha Sasana. Now, all the Sangha and novices will pray for you by chanting Bodhisattva Mandala 3 verses. Bodhu Sava Mandala Rakhandu Sava Divata Ahuradua